Hi folks, Chris here from My Old House Fix. And if you may notice on the farmhouse kitchen remodel we're currently working on, you don't see any plugs in the backsplash. We have a nice clean look in the backsplash, no plugs. So you're probably wondering where we're going to put the plugs. So, good question. We have the hard wire coming out of the top, and we're going to use plug strips, as seen here. We take these 4-foot plug strips, you can modify them down based on taking out sections here. Cut it down. We'll run the hard wire coming out of the wall straight into the unit, right here. Put the back cover back on it. Then the plug strip will mount right up under the cabinet, all the way to the back. And it's up under the front apron that we had made. Extended a little more with the custom cabinets, so from the front you can't even see it. And we keep the clean backsplash. No ugly plugs, no plates, no cutting in around any of the plates with a tile, just nice and clean. Alright, well I hope you like that tip. It's a good way to keep your backsplash nice and clean, nice and simple. More from My Old House Fix later on. See you guys.